Most people may not know much about Elmet Technologies or what they make, but the company's fingerprint can be found on electronic devices, flat-screen TVs, robotic surgical tools, and Corning cookware. It's not that they make these items, rather they manufacture two refractory metals, tungsten and molybdenum, that are critical in producing these modern conveniences. Tungsten and molybdenum are among the most heat-resistant materials in the world. After shaping these elements into ingots, Elmet fires them in furnaces that heat the ingots to a temperature that exceeds 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The parts made here have applications for the aerospace, electronics, and medical industries. Among the cutting-edge products that require tungsten and molybdenum include precision-milled, high-purity plates used in flat-panel display manufacturing, electrodes used in IMAX projectors, and fine wire used in surgical equipment. Products must meet exact specifications. Surgical wire made here, for example, is thinner than a human hair. The 220,000 square foot facility on Upper Lisbon Street is the company's headquarters. With robotic operations and automated quality control, Elmet is anything but a traditional factory and is the only manufacturer of its kind in North America. For its investment in this state-of-the-art operation, as well as its commitment to the community and its employees, the City of Lewiston is proud to recognize Elmet Technologies Economic Achievement Award winner.